we will deal with 4-digit numbers. So what is the largest 4-digit number? So largest 4-digit number. So what is the largest 4-digit number? So largest. So we have 9 digits. We have 9 digits total. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So among these 10 digits, the largest digit is 9. So the largest number can be formed by using only 9s. So largest 4-digit number can be obtained by writing 4 9s. So largest 4-digit number can be obtained by writing 4 9s. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be the largest 4-digit number, and it can be read as 9,999. So the largest 4-digit number is 9,999. So largest numbers can be formed by using the digit 9s only. So if we want largest 3-digit number, we have to just write 3 9s. If we want to write largest 2-digit number, we have to write 2 9s. So in the same way, what is the smallest 4-digit number? So what is the smallest 4-digit number? So we can simply write the smallest numbers from the largest numbers. So look at the board. We can write the smallest 4-digit number from the largest 4-digit number very easily. So first, replace the first 9 with 1. So replace the first 9 with 1 and replace another 9s with zeros. That is 0, 0, 0. There are remaining 3 9s. So we have to write 3 zeros after 1. So this is the smallest 4-digit number, and it can be read as 1000. So 1000. So 1000 has 3 zeros. So this is the smallest 4-digit number. So the largest 4-digit number is 9,999, and the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. So this is about largest numbers and smallest numbers. So next we will go to exercise part. So children, extension of numbers up to 9,999. So now today we will learn how to write the numbers up to 9,999. That is how to write 4-digit numbers. So do you remember what happened when we added 1 to 99? We got the smallest 3-digit number 100. Here the sheet represents 100. What do you think will happen if we add 1 to 999? So 999 is equal to, it contains 9 hundreds, 9 tens, 9 ones. So now let us add 1 to 999. So 999 plus 1 is equal to 9 hundreds plus 9 tens plus 9 ones plus 1 1. Then we will get a 4-digit, that is equal to 9 hundreds plus 9 tens plus 10 ones. That is equal to 9 hundreds plus 9 tens plus 1 10. That is equal to 9 hundreds plus 10 tens. That is equal to 9 hundreds plus 100, because 9 tens becomes 100. So that is equal to 1000. So 1000 can be written as like this: 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number
and is read as 1000. So here each sheet represents 1 ton and there are given 10 hundreds make 1000. So the cube represents 1000. To make any number greater than 1000, we must add 1 or more to it. For example, so 1000 plus a small piece, it gives 1001. So look at some more examples. 1000 plus 5 is equal to 1005, and 1000 plus 3 is equal to 1003. Four-digit numbers can go all the way up to 9,999. So 9,999 is the largest four-digit number. So let us learn more four-digit number. So let us see the pictures. So each pictures contains cubes. So already we have learned that a sheet represents 100 and a cube represents 1000. So in the first row they have given one cube, that becomes 1000. So in the second row we are observing two cubes, so that is 2000s. So 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 2000. So the third row contains three cubes. So first cube becomes 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 3000. And fourth row contains four cubes and each cube represent 1000. So it becomes 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 4000. And fifth row contains 5 cubes and each cube represents 1000. So total becomes 5000. So look at the row, 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 5000. So see the sixth row. The sixth row contains 6 cubes and each cube represents 1000 and total becomes 6000. So 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 6000. So look at in the seventh row. So in seventh row there are 7 cubes are given and each cube represents 1000 and total become 7000. So 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 7000. So in this way we can represent thousands by using cubes, and by using sheets we can represent hundreds, and by using a single pieces we can represent ones. So go to the next part. So look at the picture. So here there are a total of 1000 plus 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 1000. That means total there are given 8 cubes and 8 cubes represents 8000 and total become 8000. So look at the next part. So there are given, so 1000 plus 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 1000. So there are given a total of 9 cubes and each cube represents 1000 and total becomes 9000. So 1000 plus 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 1000 is equal to 9000. So in this way, with the help of these cubes, we can easily identify the thousands and we can easily add the thousands. So look at this picture here. Now total 9 cubes are given in the first picture and it becomes 9000 plus, and a total of 9 sheets are given and each sheet represents 100 and it becomes a total 900s, and in the third part they have given 9 strips. So each strip represents 1 ton and total becomes 9 tons. In the next part they have given 9 single pieces. So each single piece represents 1 ones. So total becomes 9 ones. So 9000 plus 900s plus 9 tens plus 9 ones is equal to the 9999. So this number is the largest 4-digit number and we read this number as 9999. So in this way we can represent thousands by using cubes and hundreds by using sheets and tens by using strips and ones by using small pieces. So in this way we can represent largest 4-digit numbers and smallest 4-digit numbers. So go to the next part. So similarly we can read some other 4-digit numbers as shown below. So 3400 and the next one is 6290 and the third one is 4381 and fourth one is 5064 and fifth one is 7003. So these are the some examples for the 4-digit number and this is the way how to read the given 4-digit numbers. So children, go to the exercise part.